Alright, this is 17669 Stahelin. Furnace is back on. It's a new igniter, new flame sensor, new filters dated for today, and also right back here, new high limit. So, flame sensor, igniter, high limit. Also, I put on a new thermostat. So, furnace is back on. Everything is running like it's supposed to.